Welcome to my channel. Hi my child. Today let's learn alphabet capital A. Do you love cycling? Think. You're cycling and you will learn letter A. Your house. Your cycle. Start by placing your pen or pencil at the top of the writing area. Create a diagonal line slanting downwards to the right. This will form the left side of the letter. From the bottom of the diagonal line, draw a straight horizontal line going to the right. This line should be slightly shorter than the diagonal line. Return to the starting point and draw a diagonal line slanting downwards to the left, intersecting the horizontal line you just created. This diagonal line should be parallel to the first one but slanting in the opposite direction. Connect the end of the second diagonal line to the bottom of the first diagonal line with a small curved line. This forms the triangular shape of the letter A. You can leave the letter as is or add a horizontal line across the top of the triangular shape to close it off. Write along with me. Write and say A. If you learned to write A, like and subscribe to my channel.